Hello guys, hope you are doing good. So I just dropped my kid in a school. Okay. So this video is just about, I have 2 hours now. I just want to show within 2 hours what you can do in bird photography. In one of the comments in my birds of Bangalore was that like all the video is completely lie. The way the person commented, like there is no bird in Bangalore. That is really funny. So that's what I wanted to prove, that if you go just 20-30 minutes nearby,
One can see variety of birds. I came to favorite place, which is hardly 10 to 15 minutes from my home.
closely such kind of outskirt of where a lot of bushes and stuff are there, you will find various birds like wagtail, then massiprinia, bulbul, massiprinia. They are sitting on wire, but this boundary wall, one bird is sitting. Let me take a photo and videograph to get to know which bird is this. Laughing dog. Okay, I'll scan around some more places. Is a movement or some other variety of birds are available. Bird. Let me go further. Which bird is this? Okay, let me take through camera. Which bird is this? Nicely pied bustard was sitting here, but I was about to take photo and it has gone. Lots of bobbler birds are sitting on that pole if you see in front of that house. There's a long-tailed shrike, bulbul, and couple of more birds are there. One bird is there. Okay, it's a blue-faced malcoa. Let me take some photo. By a way documentary, and I got a good response from people also. Thanks everyone. Let's see if these nests are abandoned or still there is a movement.
That's all guys, today's session is done. You can see that within less than 2 hours I have spotted so many birds within the vicinity of Bangalore city. Adopt bird watching habit, it opens up human mind and preservation of their habitat. Hope you like this video, please share with friends, comment your feedback and please subscribe our channel. It helps us and motivate to create such content. Thank you.